Alright, welcome back again to Dummy Tech Talks. So Travis, tell us what we're doing today.
We're going to be replacing the third brake light. This one, you might be able to see, has moisture in it. That is from years ago, and I never sealed it. I just figured, maybe buying it would be sealed. The factory one was all messed up and had issues as well. So
yeah, obviously this is aftermarket.
Yeah, so I got this, and it did fine for a little while, and then it just started leaking. This one is actually, I think, the same one, but we sealed it with some silicone around the edge, around where it would be leaking, so hopefully it'll last a lot longer, if not forever. It's a LED, so it should last a long time.
So we're going to show you guys how to do this. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is really fairly simple, usually. So
Usually.
so it's 2 screws, and I'm going to use my handy dandy drill screwdriver thing. And
oh yeah, it came with a new seal too, so that's nice.
We're gonna take this one off.
You're doing too much work here, buddy.
Oh man, look at that. Look how easy that was. Dropping screws though.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's not the exact same one. This other one came with this box. I remember it. Oh,
wow.
It's got moisture in it. I'm just gonna get rid of it anyway. Grab this screw. The new one does not have that. Oh, it's leaking. Just get rid of that thing. And that one did not come with a seal either.
Or screws.
Oh yeah, good point. You got the screws?
No.
Oh. You got one screw.
I got one.
The other one's probably still in it. I'm gonna go get that and let Trevor go ahead and start doing this.
All this is plug and play. Super simple. You see the plug, obviously you just slide it on in there and it's done. Travis, you want to hit some brake lights? Oh right, and car goes, look at that. So you can turn the car down if you want.
I believe it turned off. It's been so long since I've had one.
Look at that. So now we know that it works. We will unplug it again, and we're gonna put the seal on because I didn't do that. All right, so we're gonna put this seal on, and it's already pre-cut, so we just pop out the center here, and
Yeah, it's easy.
yeah, makes it great. Makes it great because the other one you said didn't have one, right?
No, I had to reuse the factory seal, and that was already kind of destroyed.
So we're gonna go one step at a time. Oh, look at that! Very.
And it's 3M. You gotta love 3M.
Love it. It only goes one way.
Okay, let's line it up.
Yeah, thank you.
Wind up fairly well over here. I'm gonna let it's not stuck on hard. I'm gonna let you firmly apply it. Firmly, whatever, push on.
Firmly grasp it. Well, in this case, apply.
Yeah, yeah.
So now we're gonna peel again. Another peel.
Ooh.
Well, that wasn't a very satisfying peel. It wasn't appealing.
Man.
All right, Trav, if you want to plug it in, and I'll hold this. Ding. And it's upside down.
Yeah. It looks like it's upside down now, but it's not.
Screw, sir?
Screw. I don't have a screwdriver, so.
Alright. You got a light because it's getting dark out.
Yep. Same 2 screws. Snug, but not overly snug. Just, it ain't going anywhere.
And it's all sealed.
Yeah.
Good.
Put silicone around the crack, plus the new seal there.
That easy. Another easy video.
Boom.
I feel like lately we've been doing easy videos. I think we need to start challenging ourselves.
Put something in the comments. Put something in the comments for something you might want to see.
I thought we were about to go challenge. All right, yeah, something in the comments.
It'd be great. Give us some ideas. We'll see what we can do. I do have an unboxing coming.
Ooh.
He doesn't even know about it.
I don't know about that.
We live in Florida, obviously, so it's gonna hopefully help us if it works. We'll see.
He bought an air conditioner. I guarantee it, or an umbrella. So you said Florida and it helps us. So
Well, it's neither one of those things. But yeah.
oh man. All right, guys. Well, I guess if you liked it,
Hit that like button.
and subscribe if you ain't a subscriber, and if you are, welcome back. We'll see you next week. Deuce.
See ya.